Right, this coming week we'll be looking at division problems again, so this is for the second time in Year 3, and we'll be using much the same chunking method on a number line that we did before, so I refer you back to the, I think 2 videos I made on that, which you should find on the blog on the maths pages. The only difference is we're looking at remainders, so I'll just run through one question very quickly. And then I'm going to show you something else. So 38 divided by 3, and remember this is asking how many times can we take 3 out of 38. So if I do my number line and I put 38 here, now I could start taking 3 and 3 and 3 and subtracting 3 each time and count how many times I do that. Or I could use my help box, and I know that 10 lots of 3 equals 30, so let's do one big jump of 10 lots of 3, which means we'll have to take 30 out from our 38, and we've got 8 left over. And I think how many 3's can I get out of 8? And I could draw a help box again, but actually I know that 2 times 3 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. And I have only got 8, so I can't take 9 from 8. So I'm going to have to take 2 lots of 3. And 2 lots of 3 is 6. So a common mistake that's made at this point is one might get confused and put a 3 there instead of a 2. So you just have to be very careful that you know that you're saying that's 2 lots of 3 and don't copy a 3 down here. Okay, 8 minus 6 equals 2. Can we take any 3's out of 2? We can't, so 2 remains, 2 is left over. So our answer of 38 divided by 3 is 10 plus 2 equals 12. And remainder, we use a small r for this, is 2. But that's it. You can go back to the old videos for division if you want to practice this method. There is another way of dividing, and we probably won't cover this week, but it's really good, so I thought I'd show you anyway. Think of it as a little bonus lesson. And it's a similar concept, but it's a different way of finding how many 4's go into 89. And in maths it's good to have lots of different ways of solving problems, so then you can select the way that works best for you or the way that works best for the question. And you can do this through partitioning. And we're really good at partitioning, lots of children know how to do it. So I'm going to partition 89 into multiples of 4 that are easy to work with. So I'm going to show you what I mean by that. So 89 could be seen as 40, another 40, and a 9. 40 plus 40 plus 9 equals 89. And I know that there are 10 4's in 40, there's another 10 4's in 40, and, well, how many 4's are in 9? Well, there's 2 4's in 9, because that makes 8, and then there's just 1 left over, and I can't take 4 out of that. So my answer for 89 divided by 4 is 10 plus 10 plus 2, so that's 22, remainder 1. So that's a similar sort of method to up here, but it's a bit quicker to do. It's a bit more abstract, but it's a good method, and it's good to be able to know both of those. Okay, that's it for this week.